Hello everybody, this is Old Soldier. Well, today is bucket potato and tub potato harvest day. Last year, if any of you have watched my channel, it was an absolute dismal failure. But the plants did much better this year. One of the buckets, one of the black buckets, there might have been a lot of bug activity, insect activity, but I think it'll be okay. So, hey, let's go ahead and start filming and let's see what we have wrought. Let's start with the buckets. Okay, bucket one, a little bit disappointing. Let's go on to the next. All right, second bucket. I hesitate to call this a harvest, a potato. It's not the seed potato. Very, very disappointing. Okay, hopefully we get better results with the tub. Here we go. That is the combined yield for all three, and I don't even think it may be a pound. I don't think it's 2 pounds. But look, I'm either not doing something right or I'm not planting the right strain. They're all watered and cared for. We had good plant life. I put the mulch over them. So, but it's not working. So, don't know if I'll do this again or not. If I do, it'll be with a different strain or a different type of potato. But all I can tell you was, for the second straight year, I've done this 3 years. First year, actually, I just used the 2 buckets, and I got far more. And of course, I didn't have the channel then. But it is what it is. This is my dismal bucket potato harvest, and this is Old Soldier out.